There's no doubt that Instagram Reels are one of the best ways to get your message out organically to an audience that's bigger than your Instagram following. And Instagram Reels can help you, if you've got a product basis, to sell what you're doing and saying without it being too salesy. So I've got for you 3 types of Reels that I've just quickly made today to show you the variety of how you can do it. And I've used a pot plant to use that. So let's go with the first one. The first one here is really simple. All you got to do is do a close-up of the product and then talk a little bit about the benefits of it. So you can do a bit of research or share 5 things that are useful about it, and then just put it to that with some sound. It's a one shot. It doesn't even have you in it. Pretty cool, right? The second one is using the old point issue. And you don't have to make this look too silly. What I normally do is I think of 5 things or 6 things so I know how often I need to point. I have them in my head, and so in my head I might be showing the product or doing something, and then I just point like this and point like this. Now you can get super awesome and use music to do this, but I don't try and do too much dancing. I just use the old point thing and then edit the captions in INSHOT when I've done it. So that's the example there. And then the last one is you talking to camera, which is probably the most scary one for people. And you can just talk a little bit about why that product is something you like. You could use customer feedback, or you could get a little bit funny with it. Depends on what you want to do, and that's the example here for that. So that's 3 ways. I've literally, in the last half an hour, I filmed those, I created them in INSHOT, I added the sound when I needed to, saved them to my phone, and then I've recorded this to show you how to do your Reels better. I want to see yours. What are your product ones going to look like?